All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my throwback TJ Watt Badger Mini. So we'll check the time, December 22nd at 6:42 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have December 22nd at 6:42 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Wade. Spot 2 is your winner. So, Wade, please get with me to collect your Watt. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, December 22nd, 6:43 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.